They tryna take my life. My ups wanna go, and you know that's for sure. They tryna take my life. 6 feet deep, you know I'm in the 6 feet deep. They tryna take me to the grave now. I gonna keep it real. I gotta move in self-defense. When they take me to the court, I'm gonna profess and say that nigga tried to kill me. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take him to the grave, and that's for sure. Ain't no gangster threat shit, but nigga, I mean what I do. I need my job, and now my shada sister do. They tryna take my life, my job, and I'm angwai. Is that shit right? No, not the right. I keep alive, medipin, namangwai. We gotta ride. Gonna straight real, it's really with my dogs. 400 for sure. My tabani mangwai. Now we riding in a show. One day we gotta take it to the top. My tabana mangwai. My hopes wanna die. Do it just for sure. I'm always strapped on. Niggas tryna take me deep down to the grave. You resist the system. 10 years ago, you know I gotta stay hardcore. Like Stone Stephen Cole, you know I mean. Nime mumble by your shit cause my mind ain't right. Nime fumble cause I had to switch on a Glock shit. This shit strapped on, semi-automatic shit. My mouth is lethal, you know I got the buzz like a viper steak. Rattlesnake, I'm on a hunting spree. Lion, big lion in a jungle when I step on. So I'm not doing it for sure, My ops what I go, Tuna do for sure, We riding in the city, Nairobi na wiliri. Matabani kwa wingi. My ops what I go, Nairobi is the city. Matabani kwa wingi. My ops what I go. The seeds tryna take my love. Tell my mama I've been fine. Tryna take my life and thanking God for everything for sure.